Good morning, children. Today we will learn Science of Class 2, Lesson 9, Air Around Us. So, children, our lesson name is Air Around Us. So, children, do you feel that air is around us? Yes, air is around us, and all living beings need air. We cannot live without air. Children, we can live without water 2 or 3 days. 1 or 2 days we can live without water. But we cannot live without air. We cannot live without air. So air is very important and we should breathe clean air. We should breathe. So children, can you see the air? No, we cannot see the air. We cannot touch the air. But we can feel the air. We cannot see the air. We cannot touch it. But we can feel it. So when we feel, when wind blows, so we feel that air is there. We feel that air is there. So children, now we will see what does air contain. What does air contain? Air contains dust, smoke and water vapor. Air contains dust, smoke and water vapor. So children, once again repeat after me. Air contains dust, smoke and water vapor. So now we will see about the dust. So when we clean our house, when we sweep our rooms, when we clean road, so air picks up the dust. That air picks up the dust and this dust mix in the air. And if we breathe the dirty air, and dirty air is harmful for us. Dirty air is harmful for us. If we breathe it, that is not good for our health. We may get sick. So now next is smoke. When wood is burnt, the smoke goes into the air and mixes in the air, and it makes the air dirty. And the smoke of vehicles, smoke of factories, it goes up and mixes in the air, and that also make it the air dirty. So children, dust and smoke make the air dirty. What make the air dirty? Dust and smoke. Dust and smoke make the air dirty. So now we will see about the water vapor. What is water vapor? When water is heated and it changes into steam, and that goes into the air as water vapor. See, I will show you the picture. See about the cloth. The water from the wet cloth goes up into the air, into the water as water vapor. And when there is a sunlight, when in the pond of water, that because of the sunlight it is heated and it goes up as a water vapor. So children, did you understand about the water vapor? When we boil the water, when water is heated and it goes into the air, it is as water vapor. When we dry our cloth, we think that where does the water goes from the wet cloth? It goes up into the air as water vapor. Now we will see air has germs. So children, we cannot see that air has germs, but there are germs in the air. There are germs in the air. When a person cough or sneeze, jumps from cups mixes in the air, and these jumps can make us sick, and these jumps can make us sick. So we have to use handkerchief or tissue paper while coughing or sneezing. Now, next we will see clean and fresh air. Clean and fresh air. Children, we have to breathe clean air. We have to breathe clean air. So where we will get clean air? Green plants give us fresh air, clean air. Green plant give us fresh air, clean air. So children, when we are in the room, so there are no trees in the room. So how we will get fresh air? We have to open the windows, doors. From the windows and doors, air comes to the room, and we can get the fresh air to breathe. So always when we are in the room, we have to keep our windows and doors open. So children, we should plant more and more trees. We should plant trees near our house. Do not cover our face while sleeping. While sleeping, we should not cover our face. If we cover our face while sleeping, the same air we will breathe. So because our air does not go out of our blanket. Play in the open area or in the park. Now, next, air can move things. So children, air moves one place to another. Air moves one place to another, and we can feel that air is moving. When air is blowing, we feel that air is moving. Air is moving, and air can move many things. Air can move many things like balloons, parachute. So this air can move things. So now we will see wind. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows smoothly, that is called wind. Now next is storm. Storm is very fast moving air is called storm. Very fast moving air is called storm. And storm can destroy many things. Storm destroy many things like uproot of the trees, shed, our clothes flew away. So storm can destroy many things. So very fast moving air is called storm. So children, I think you have understood the lesson about the air. Air is very important for us. We cannot live without air. All living beings need air. We cannot live without air. So we have to breathe clean and fresh air. So how will get clean and fresh air? We have to plant more and more trees. So children, you also once a year at least plant one tree. Then only we can get the fresh air to breathe, and we will be healthy if we breathe clean air. So we will not get sick. So children, once again you also read lesson 9, then you will understand better.